Welcome to part 1 of my MMORPG series. In this lecture I will show you how to install and configure Visual Studio. After this you have to go to visualstudio.microsoft.com/vs. After this, click on Windows, click on Download Visual Studio. We will use the Community Edition because it's free. After a few seconds the download will start. You can save it on your computer and wait until it's downloaded. After this, click on Installation and wait for the installer. It will take a little bit longer. After the installer is ready, you will see this window and click on the top left one, and we will use another one. It's a little bit down. It's for Unity. You can click it too, and then we will click on NetCore because it's for different platforms, and click on Install. After this, it will take a little bit longer and you will see it take a little bit. So I will pause this video and we will see you after this download process. After the download process, it's opened the new IDE and you can see it's in blue, and we will change the color. Click on Tools, click on Options, Environment, General, and click on Dark. We'll change the color of the IDE because you can work better with it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.